and air attack supervisor. So an aerial firefighter is in that aircraft. They're our supervision aircraft that will actually talk to the ground. Next in line is our Bomber 390, so the C-130Q.
And the third aircraft.
So the RJ, commonly known as the RJ, Bomber 391, about 12,500 metres, and their tank is still on standby, ready for firefighting across the state. And in fact, in the last 3 years,
Ops on board, set to go, water drop coming to the designated fire area.
and so he's lined up ready to go, he'll be armed, and there he goes. So this will string this out. And I've got to tell you, when our aircraft of any of our fleet turn up in the station where fire behind the Herc, he'll have wings level, he's ready to go, he knows where to drop, the doors are armed, press the button and away we go. Very experienced fire pilots, flight time pilots, and it's fantastic to have our partners from overseas.
This service approaches the Avalon runway now. Thanks a lot, Wayne. What a marvellous display. What about a warm round of applause for the emergency services people that are helping to keep our state safe when it comes to fire. And we're a long way from escaping the risk of fire at this time of the year. The city of Geelong being a sponsor and a principal partner of this air show, the aerospace connection with Geelong is...
So it pokes the fuels out in the forest or the grasslands, and then the fire burns up to that, and it's supported by ground crews not being so from the environment point of view.
Well, coming up very shortly, we have the Southern Nights, and shortly